Hi guys, you want to read another story? This one is about a little blue truck, and it's by Alice Schertle. A little blue truck. Kind of reminds you a little bit of Matter. To Jen and Drew, Spence and Dylan, Kate and John. Beep, beep. There's the blue truck. Look like they're out in the farmland. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sound you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye, and the little blue truck went rolling by. And there's some more farm animals in the barn. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said a piggy, beep said Blue. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said peep. There's the chicken, and there's the chick. Ma, said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Looks like it's raining now. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Oh, I missed this part. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the truck. They couldn't even budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. And they all went riding home in the truck. Did you like that story? Well, we'll read some more later. I hope you're having fun today. Bye.